Hello everyone. So guys, actually I have to go to my hometown. For that I have booked a flight, and in order to go to airport I have booked an Ola car, and I'm heading towards Terminal 2 Indira Gandhi International Airport. And from there I have to go through all those security checkup and all, and after that I'll board my flight. So whatever I do after reaching the airport, I will try to shoot some footages so that I can show you guys. Stay connected. Thank you guys. So guys, I have deboarded the cab and I have reached Terminal 2 Indira Gandhi International Airport, Terminal 2. I paid 595 to the Ola cab driver. I had boarded from Noida to Terminal 2, and now I'm going to show you Terminal 2 area, guys. So guys, this is Terminal 2. So like this there would be Terminal 3 also. So I have to enter here. I can see this is gate number 1, there would be gate number 2. So I can enter any gate. This is Terminal 2, there are various gates to enter. So I can show you the entire scene, guys. So guys, I have to keep my ticket handy along with my any photo ID card, and then I will enter any gate. It could be gate number 1 or gate number 2 of Terminal 2, guys. So the security check will be done. I will have to walk in that metal detector. So many people are coming, so I will have to go through this, guys. You can see all the people are going through this. So I'm also going, maybe recording is allowed or not allowed, I don't know. So I'm going to turn off the recording. So guys, I have taken my ticket and my ID Aadhaar card along with me. Now I'm standing in the queue for the security check, guys. Okay, so stay connected, guys. So when I entered after the security check, the first security check at the first gate, so when you enter, this is the lobby. You can see such a huge area is this. So here there are so many check-in counters for various airlines, and you can see this. So you have to choose your airline, go to that counter for your bag checking or whatever the procedure would be there. Maybe you have to, from the same counter you can get your boarding pass. So because I have taken my boarding pass by doing the web check-in. So let's see what happens. I'm going to the counter. After that I'll get to know what they say. Actually the boarding pass which I have, there is no gate. There is no gate number that which gate I have to enter for boarding. So maybe when I go to the counter I can be given the gate number. So let's see. So I'm just going to check where is my check-in counter, Go Air check-in counter. Hi guys. So now let me tell you. Actually when I entered the lobby after the first security check, after showing my my Aadhaar card, the photo ID card, after that I went to the Go Air check-in counter, but there he said that you have only handbag, your laptop bag, you don't have any other luggage, so you don't need to go for any weighing of the bag or any kind of checkup. So you just do one thing, directly go for the security check. I said that what about boarding pass? He said that have you gone through web check-in? I said yes, I have got this boarding pass print along with me. He said that this is sufficient, you don't need any paper from here. Then I said that there is no boarding gate number mentioned, that which gate I have to enter. He said that first go through the security check, and after that you can see on the display. I said okay. So when I went for the security check, first of all I was asked to take a tray which was of blue color, and so I took that tray and I took off my belt, I put into the tray. Then I had my laptop charger, mobile charger, and Jio Wi-Fi, my wallet, my mobile. I put all those things in the that tray, and after that I put that tray and put my bag, and they both went for the security check. Scanning was going on, the scanning of that tray, and the bag was done. and I went through that metal detector walk-in. There I was frisked by the person. He frisked me from front, from back, from side, and after that I took my all those things put into the bag. Then I asked the same person who was in uniform about the boarding gate number. He said that now you enter and see on the display. So whichever number you get, just follow the instruction and go to your boarding gate number. I said that's fine. So I'm here. I'm going to show you. I have not seen the display yet. So I'm just thinking where the display is, where I will get my boarding gate number. So I'm going to show this area, this lobby through the back camera. After your security check, you can sit here and you can check for your gates. As you can see there, it is written gates 20 to 30, but I have no idea where I have to enter. I have no idea about my gate. So first I have to check on the display where which is my gate number. So this is the area where I have to check, guys. Okay, so first of all let me check, then I will go to my gate number. Okay, stay connected, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the display, and here I have to check. Actually my airline is Go Air and the flight number is G8231. So I have to check here where it is showing G8. Come on, where is G8? Yeah, here I got, guys. G8231 Patna, and the gate is 20. It is delayed. Earlier it was 5 something. So gate number 20. I have to go to gate number 20. Okay. So now I have to move towards gate number 20. Let's see where is gate number 20. So it may be here. So yeah, this is gate number 20 to 35. Okay, so I have to go here, 20 to 35. Okay, here we go. So guys, I have entered this lobby, and here it's a shopping mall. I would say it's a shopping mall. My god, see guys, it's a shopping mall. Wow, see, there's so many stores. Wow, such a beautiful place. See guys, here you can purchase the things, you can have food, and here there is also the display, so I can check again and again to confirm. Anyways, it's amazing. Wow, I have time. It is 2:30 right now, and my flight timing is 18:15, but I have to board it at 17:35. So it's 17:35. I have to be in my Airbus. So guys, I'm thirsty, and here if you want to purchase any water bottles, so small water bottle, the 500 ml water bottle price is 60 rupees. 60. 60 rupees. So I'm going to buy it. दे देना भाई, ठंडा दे देना. So I'm just going to buy from here. I have to pay 60 rupees, and I have to finish this bottle. I'm not allowed to board the flight along with this water bottle. So I'm going to drink. Thank you guys. Hi guys, so guys, I had been waiting for the boarding process to be started since 2 o'clock. Now finally it is 5:30, and I can see that boarding process has been started, and as per the safety measure, the safety kit is being distributed. I'm just going to show you guys. बस यही है. So this is the, in the name of safety kit only this mask has been given. So now guys, I have to take a bus. You can see the bus here, and this bus will take us to the aircraft. So guys, finally we can see this is my aircraft. I have to board this and I have to stand in the queue. These all the passengers were there in the bus. So I'm waiting. I'm here in the queue. आपका सीट
Yep, yeah, no?
हाँ 14. So guys, this is my seat 14F and I have put my bag here here in this overhead bin, and my seat is the window seat. This is, I am going to sit here. So guys, finally I have sat here, you can see. And this is the window seat.
चाहते हैं कि विमान में धूम्रपान करना निषेध है। जब तक ईंधन भरने की प्रक्रिया जारी है, कृपया मोबाइल फोन्स को फ्लाइट मोड पर रख लें। मोबाइल फोन का इस्तेमाल करने की अनुमति प्राप्त होते ही हम आपको सूचित करेंगे।
wanted to see the toilet of aeroplane. Okay, so this is what I have seen. Very small, just you can, I mean, very tough to sit here, stand here.
कार्ड्स, ई हुक्का, वेपिंग डिवाइसेस आदि का उपयोग और चार्जिंग विमान में निषिद्ध है। आपकी सुरक्षा को ध्यान में रखें। इस समय हम आपके सहयोग की कामना करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण जैसे कि
So guys,
full
now
size
I have to
laptop,
fasten the seat
विमान की
belt.
उड़ान
So you
और
can see
उतरने के
the
समय
seat belt.
सामान रख में रखें।
I have to fasten
विमान
it.
में मदिरा पीना और धूम्रपान करना मना है। सभी शौचालय में धूम्र अनुसंधान यंत्र लगे हैं। खिड़की के पर्दे को खुले रखें। उड़ान लेते समय कैबिन की बत्तियां मध्यम की जाएंगी। यदि आप पढ़ना चाहें तो ऊपर लगी बत्तियों का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। हम आशा करते हैं कि आपकी उड़ान सुखद हो। May we have your attention please? The aircraft is now ready for takeoff. किए हैं या चालू किए हैं। मोबाइल फोन का उपयोग की सुरक्षा के लिए खतरा है। कृपया अपने मोबाइल फोन अभी बंद कर लें। धन्यवाद।
So guys, flight is taking off finally. I have fastened the seat belt, as you can see. It is taking off. It's jerking again and again, jerking. This is such a great experience, guys. Such a great experience. You can see it's jerking. Videography not allowed. Still, I am recording. So guys, I'm telling you the experience of it. It was like suddenly I went into the air and I felt as if I'm just falling down. Now guys, this aeroplane is landing and this time I am feeling so much irritation in my both the ears. I am feeling that my ears are just going to burst. I am not able to hear anything. I am just recording this video anyhow. So my plane is landing guys. So when I deboard the plane, I'll let you know guys. Thank you, stay connected. Guys, finally I'm deboarding the aeroplane. You can see that. I'm going downstairs. This is my aircraft. Bye bye aircraft. Bye bye. And this is guys Patna airport, Jai Prakash Narayan Antarashtriya Viman Patna. So guys, right now I am at Patna airport. I have deboarded my flight and now I have to check which gate I have to go through. I think gate number 1, because my dad would be there waiting for me, my Alto car would be waiting for me. I'm just going guys. Okay guys, stay connected guys. When I sit in my car, I'll talk to you. Stay connected guys. Thank you. So guys, finally I have come out and I'm telling you guys, I don't know what happened to my ears. I'm not able to hear properly. I think maybe for a couple of hours it will remain the same. Now I'm here outside, but I don't know where my car is. where my dad is. So I am just going to make him a call. So guys, I had given a call to my dad and now my dad has come. So this is my Alto car. My dad is sitting there and there is a person who is driving the car. So now I am going to get in my car, guys. So here we go. Oh, my bag. Okay. So finally. Wow. So finally guys, from Delhi to Patna, now I am heading towards my village. So thank you very much everybody. It was my first experience of flight, guys. First experience. I should not tell a lie. It was really my first experience. But I really enjoyed a lot. But my ears, seem to be very bad. I mean, I'm not able to hear properly. I should have taken cotton while traveling, but I could not do that. Anyways, guys, thank you very much everybody. So see you in another episode. Thank you guys. Bye.